Hey there! In today's video, I will teach you the marketing terminology you need to know to run your email marketing campaigns with confidence. Hi everyone, here is Anasztazia. Welcome to my channel where I help first-time business owners level up their marketing. When we are talking about email marketing, the first term you have to know is email campaign. Email campaign is a campaign that supports your overall marketing activities and your marketing strategy. It is a collection of emails, and the number of emails will depend on the campaign's goal, your message, and the segment you want to send that email campaign to. For example, let's say you are a yoga teacher and on a monthly basis you have new classes that you are promoting to your audience. That would mean that you have a social media strategy to promote those classes to your audience, and simultaneously you can launch an email campaign that will convey the same message. It will promote your online classes but through another channel. Speaking of audience, the next term is segment, also known as target email list. An email list is a list of contacts you have saved in your email marketing automation tool. This list will consist of different types of contacts. These might be prospects, these might be leads, or already existing customers. You can group these contacts depending on different criteria. If you want to send out a lead nurture campaign, then you will include only leads in that campaign. If you want to reach out to your existing customers with an exclusive offer, you will know who to target and who to include in that specific email campaign. So depending on your goal and on your message, you will know who to include in your next email campaign. The next term is email copy. Email copy includes everything that you will have to write in your email. This is the subject line, the preview text, and the email body. The copy of your email will depend on the purpose of your email campaign. If you open your inbox now and scroll through a couple of emails, you will notice that different emails have a different purpose. That means also a different type of copy. For example, a lead nurture campaign will definitely be different to a newsletter email or to a promotional or transactional email. So before creating your email copy, you have to define the goal, the message, and the audience of that campaign. The next two terms are one of the most crucial components of any email campaign, that is the subject line and the preview text. The main goals of any email campaign is to receive a high open rate and also a high click-through rate. And these two metrics will depend on the subject line that you insert in your email and from the overall copy of your email. There are actually a lot of free tools that you can use to test your subject line before including it in your email. Or you can also do A/B testing and see what type of message resonates best with your audience. The same rules apply to preview text. This is the second line that goes after the subject line. One of my favorite components in an email is the CTA, also known as the call to action button. The CTA is something that you have to include in your email if you want your audience to take action. When defining your call to action button, think about what is the purpose of your email, what do you want your audience to do, and where do you want your audience to go. If you have the destination, you can include a hyperlink into the call to action button. A quick pro tip that I definitely will be mentioning a lot in my future videos, but just so you know, whenever you're creating emails, you have to make sure that you have a call to action button above the fold. This way, the person who was interested enough to open your email knows exactly the next step they have to take without scrolling to the bottom of your email. So make sure to include a call to action button above the fold and also at the bottom of your email. The next step is to know if you want to include any design assets. Design assets can be images of your products, maybe of the sales brochure that you're including in your email, or simply a fun GIF. Just like in any marketing analytics report, in this report you will be able to find out if your marketing efforts have paid off. You will be able to analyze each email one by one. You will also know which subject line performed the best, which call to action button enticed your audience to click on it and take the action you wanted them to. And you will also know what type of copy works best with your audience. But to gain the most useful insights from an email analytics report, you also have to know what questions you need to ask. For this reason, I am preparing a video for you where I will be going through an email analytics report and I will tell you what to look for and what insights you can gain from it. So make sure to not miss that video by subscribing if you haven't done that yet. While you're waiting for my newest video, make sure to check out this video where I will teach you how to build your email list so you have even more contacts to send out your email campaigns to, or you can check out this video as well. Thank you for your attention and I see you in the next one.